Recording is in progress. Where's gone? Hmm. Okay. So people, what my plan is in this session, uh, after login, you know it, right? I'm coming to the home page. I just put here just a movie picture, right? You can customize it. So here I'm putting a button, right? And on which page? On my home landing page. So what's my plan on this? If you want to change the button color, red, you can write here danger, right? This is the CSS. So I would like to show you how it looks like, right? So this is clear, people, adding the button. After that, what happened, I'll show you. This is clear or you got confused? Hmm?
Clear.
Yeah, it's clear.
It's clear. Very nice. And I want this message. Let's see how it looks like now. Mhm. What my plan is, when you click on the add button, I want to open a form over here, right? Where I can upload the movie detail and I can save in database. That's my plan. Mhm. So when you click on it, right, I am creating a new controller. Which controller? New controller. Why? Because movie related operation I want to do with new controller. If you don't understand why I'm creating new controller, let me know. Okay. I can create n number of classes, right? As per my need. This is my which controller? Movie controller, right? Same as we created a home controller earlier. So what I have to map? Sir, I have to map my get mapping. Copy paste, you know copy paste? Yeah. What you have to map? People. When you call add movie action, right? What you need to do? Where you need to go? Which page? Help me. Add
You have to create.
movie.jsp.
Yeah.
So for this, we have to create a new page,
GSP
right?
files. Yeah.
New JSP file, new JSP, and you can type name over here. I have done with, right? So if I click on it, this page should be open. Let me try. Okay, can you see this? It is open. It's clear.
Yes, sir.
Now what I need to do? See, I'm big fan of copy paste. Allow me whole form, right? You know it, right? Uh, I just copied over here. It makes sense? Yeah.
Yes.
And here I would say upload movies. Hmm? Let me show you how it looks like. Okay. The here when you click on it, same, but I need to make it upload movie, right? So in upload movie, what metadata you want to keep? Tell me. There should be name
Movie
of the
name.
movie. Am I
Oh,
correct?
sir.
Hmm. Name. What else? Name and you can here write year, right? In which year it was? So here you can use, select. Select. You can use select and you can make option. In option, you can, give the choice. Mhm. Are you with me? Like
Yes,
two
sir.
thousand. You are not blind. 2020. Oh, sorry. This I am hard coding over here, but later we'll make it from database. 2001, 2020. Okay, just fine. This value doesn't matter much. Basically, I should start with 16, 17, 18, 19, 2020, right? 2021. Hmm? This is clear. Let me show you how it looks like. Let me know it's not clear to you. Can you see this? It is looking very bad. Why? Because here you have to give the name of the component, which is year, right? And here you can use this CSS to make it beautiful. You want to make it beautiful? Yeah. Hmm? Why I'm making this? Because when you apply this style, then your drop down will look nice. Can you see this? Hello. It
Yes.
is looking very bigger. You can use this style and you can control the width of it. I want to make like 40% or 30%. You can make it and see how it looks like. Can you see this? Yep. Anybody have any question, query? Is too clear?
Clear.
Name, year, and what else you want to keep. You can store other detail as well. Anybody can movie description, of course, that will give you. Anybody have any other name, other attribute for this? You can write director. Hmm?
Actor.
Director, actor, that's correct. Director.
Genre.
Pardon?
Genre.
Yeah, director. So that's okay. Oh, I just want to keep only few fields, right? And in last, I would like to have poster. You know poster? Yeah, movie poster. You can store this field, poster, and you can last. What? I want to just put the little bit description about the story. For a story, this is multi-line. You know multi-line? So you can use text area. What? Text area. People and name equals to story. Confuse? No.
No.
And here you
So when
can
you're saying
write.
poster, are we actually inserting a image?
Yeah. We will insert the image, but to make it simple, we will give the image URL from the internet. Class equals to form control. All this thing, when you do it again and again, then you'll come to know. Nobody can remember it. I'm telling you, it's not possible. Then you can write number of rows. I just want to make 2 or 3. Let's see how it looks like. After that, we can customize it. Can you see this? Here you can write the story about it, and you can put the width like this. Done. I hope I'm making myself clear.
Yes.
Done. Done. My form is ready. Okay. And what's my goal? My goal is when you click on in this button should be not sign in. You can make it like upload movie. Hmm? Hmm. And here you can make one more button. Reset button. Reset means when you click on this button, your form should be get
Clear.
clear. So clear and button you can make it danger. Danger means its color will be red. Hmm? Done. If you have any confusion, you let me know. I'll help you. Hmm? Now, when you click on it, this data we have to save into the database. Clear? And here we have to use add movie, same action with post. You got my point, or you totally got super duper confused? Hmm?
So far clear. At least
Super
me.
clear. Hmm. So you can make it, from front end to back end or back end to. So if you allow to me, I can make a table. Allow me. Table. How to make it? New table. Same way as you were doing. So here, this is my primary key movie ID. It should be auto generated. Auto increment primary key, right? And name of the movie, war car, 1100. Then year, you can use integer. Next, but I don't know, director poster.
Sir, for a year, if I use date, would that cause any issue?
Yeah, that would be nice. You can use it. You tell me I should use date. It is up to you, right?
Yeah, let's do that
And the
because I never used it.
date you want to use, think about it. Somebody saying, yeah, please do it. Oh, date I can use. If you're saying I have to use it, I
No,
don't have a
year. Okay,
choice.
fair enough.
No, that's fine. I can use date because you said, right? Let's do that. And director, use timestamp. No, date is okay. Sorry. Director, I'm going to make it 100. Then poster for card. I'm going to, store 500 and story, right? Worker 1000. Yeah, 2000. It's okay with you?
Yes.
Hello. And here you can enter, no, I don't want to make complex. I want to enter actually data entry. I don't want to do it. Okay, let's make it simple for now. Control S. And my table name is movies, TBL. If you think it's very complex, let me know. Are you got it? Hmm?
So far clear, sir.
It's clear to you, then it's clear to me as well. What I'm trying to do next, it is ready, right? I have to go to my controller here. I have to make which method? Post method of it, right?
Post.
Same as yesterday.
Mm,
It should be add movie page, and this should be upload movie. Fine. My dear friends, up tell me. Here you can make a POJO. POJO means I'm telling you. I'm just making a class. You tell me if you don't understand. Movie. Okay. DTO. It's fine. You can say DTO means data transfer object. This is the convention. You can use VO also, right? It is up to you. In this, I'm going to match with the what is the exact attribute which you have in your form. You got confused? No. Whatever attribute you have, please let me know if you confuse, right? Same attribute you have to match, right? In form, whatever, there's a benefit of doing all this thing. What I'm telling you. Here we may have integer MID, movie ID. And what other attribute we have? Private, string, name, private. You talked about date, right?
yes, sir.
I'm just making simple, right? String. I'll convert in date. Okay, don't take tension. Just make it string, right? In database, we'll
Okay.
make a date and save it.
Okay.
Private string. I need to look into it because you are not helping me. Nobody is helping me. Honestly, I'm telling you. You should tell me what are the attribute and all, but you are not helping me. String poster. Yes, all these things you can tell me. Okay, at least private
Is
string
poster a string?
store.
It
Yeah,
was an.
poster is
Oh, I
string.
don't know what to do.
Poster is string in database. And make getter and setter. Hello. And to string method, your favorite method, you know it.
Yes.
And done. So now you have two options to read the data. What I can write over here, request param, request param. Remember, I can write multiple time. Tell me, request param, string name. Yes or no? Hmm? Again, you're not
But
replying.
you don't need to write if you don't want to write.
I'm saying, yeah, we have to write again and again. This is the way to take the input. But we have other approach of doing it. You should able to read 100, all the incoming attribute. You can use this notation, model attribute. What it does, it will read all the attribute which is coming from the form in one shot. And it can populate into in this Java object automatically. Oh, nice. Is it? Is it? What I said? This annotation will read all the parameter and it will make an object of movie DTO and all the parameter will be populated into it. Do you understand the benefit of it? Oh man, suppose from here
Yes,
you are
yes, yes.
sending 10 attributes, right? Name, year, director, poster, story, right? So it will read all the attribute one by one, right? This annotation. After reading it, it will make an object of it, right? And matching attribute. Name should go in the name, date should go in date, director should go into director, poster should go in poster, story should go into a story, right? Oh, nice. This notation is doing great job or not? Everything you will get into Java object. Meena, do you understand this? What model attribute does? It is reading multiple parameter in one shot and populating into this Java object. In that way, whatever data you will fill over here and submit it, it will go into this. I can print it, okay? After that, you want to come back to which page? Right now, I want to come to the, Meena, you're not replying. I want to come back to the same page, okay? Same page, add movie. If you want to add some message, you can use model sorry, model, and here model dot add, and here you can write the message, right? What message? Movie is uploaded successfully. Movie is uploaded successfully. You got it, or you totally got confused? No.
Here,
After it, you will come to the movie, right? I'm not saving it. So far, I'm just printing it on that controller, then coming back to the same page. And here you can, here you can print the message. That's it. How? Dollar. Mhm. If you want to make it bold, you can make it bold. If you want to make it with some other color, you can use your style. You know it, right? And font color, you can make it. Why color is not coming? No, only color. I'm sorry. You can make color equals to red. Can I try this much, my dear friends?
sir.
Where message will be printed? On my console. Let me try. Here, I, nothing is running. Hmm. Where is my login page? I
Sir,
don't
the
know.
method, I think we should put post mapping, if I'm not mistaken.
That maybe if you do some mistake, your application will be goes down. Same thing has happened. I don't know. Okay, you cannot have to get mapping. If you do like this, it your application will be confused, right? Ambiguous. It may be showing. I think I have ignored it, right? That's why. Now it's fine. It's my control. Okay. Sign in and click on it. So when I'm just adding movie name hero, director, you can write pick, go, anything you can write there. Poster, poster will do it soon. Okay, story is this one. Click on it. Hey, movies uploaded successfully. Understood? And Meena,
Yes.
where it is going to print it on the console, you see it is printing everything. Hero, date, because I think we did mistake, right? Here we should write year. What? Year. Make sense? That's why. And you have to change in the getter and setter also. Get year, 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 set year. All right? Year. Make sense? That was the issue. Now you go and submit it again. Meena, I'm submitting it again, the same thing, right? Submit it. Oh, hmm. It's saying in your code you have compilation error. I understand because you have to change this
Due
also.
date.
Yeah, no issue. It was just compilation issue. Now I'm clearing my terminal. Then back button. Hmm? Click on it. Now it's fine. You want to see? Meena, hero, year, director, poster, right? So you understand whatever data we are submitting, but you understand my shortcut style, model attribute? Model attribute can read multiple data from the form and it can populate into Java object. So let me write what is the use of it. Who will tell me? It reads
Input,
all the
input
Input
that comes
data
from.
all the
from the
form
form.
data and populates into Java object. Or you can say plain old Java object. Plain old. In shortcut, plain old Java object is also known as POJO. Okay, normal class. Hey people, what is my next step from here? I need to save my data in database, right? That's my main motto. If you allow to me, can I move to the next step?
Yes,
Sure.
sir.
And all this thing you have to do practice because this thing I'm going to do daily and next session. If I do the same thing, I'm not going to tell you what I'm doing. Okay. So here I need to make a new DAO, right? I'm not going to use this one. I'm going to make a new one for it, right? Movies DAO, right? Let's make it. So same thing you have to do. You see my copy paste? Yep. Because I know without copy paste I cannot do anything. Yep. You see my style? Meena, you missed this annotation, remember? You
Yes,
missed it.
sir. Yes, sir.
I know. Here I have to write a method, public string add movie, right? Save movie, whatever you want to write. Save, right? Why save? Because it is for movie, right? No need to write save movie. Does not make sense, right? And here you can pass your movie DTO. Uh, I forget it. Yeah, movie DTO, I guess. Mhm. It's clear to you? Yeah. Now what I have to do, Mina? We have to write the query, okay? You can return saved, success. Little bit fast, but you understand. What is the query? Any guess? String str insert into query. What is the query? Insert into not replying. Insert into boring job.
Table.
Table.
Movie tab.
Uh,
And you have to write the column name, right? Column name is name, year, director, poster, right? And story. We have 5 fields or more than that.
date. We also have. Oh, year. Yeah, my bad.
No problem. Name 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And here you can write values. In values, you have to write how many question mark? You know it.
5.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Soon I will teach you Hibernate, Spring Data JPA. So no need to write this query. Boring job, we will, this I'll finish in 2 or 3 sessions, right? We are not going to do all those things, right? I'm wasting your time. Clear? And I'm telling you, if you don't have idea about all those things, other thing, it will be difficult to understand. So this is good to have. That's why I'm teaching you. After it, here, what here? I need to create the input, Mina. The way we did, we have to create the array, right? Data. Name. Yeah. So let's do that. Syntax, all about syntax. Here, first parameter as you say, hey, movie DTO. First place, we have to write the gate name. Second place, gate year, right? Like here, we have to put the date. Allow me, guys. I'm going to just put this date, okay? Just give me this. We have to make the date object, right, from the year. Clear? So how to make a date object from the year? Anybody? I need to Google it, right? Because I am getting only year, we have to make the date, okay? First of all, let me complete my coding. After that, I'll come to that. Mina, you got a point?
Yes.
Yeah. I'm just giving the new date, right? What you are this year you are selecting, I'm ignoring it. Then you can say get director, then dot get poster, and last dot get story. I hope you understand. People, do you understand this technique, right? Yeah. After that, Mina, what I need to do? I have to create an object of JDBC template. And in this, you can pass your data source. Now you can fire the query. To fire the query, you have to use update method. And here, first parameter is the query, and second parameter is the data which you want to set in this query. Anybody have any question query? My job is done. Hmm? Please reply. Problem with you people are you are not saying even yes, no. Why?
No problem,
If you
sir.
understand, say okay.
Understood this.
No
I
problem.
understood it.
SQL. This is data for the query. Okay. And you know this, right? You have to just understand this is to execute, right? Which query? Insert query, right? And remember, last time I was using other method, query for object, query for list, right? Because there I was using fetch query, fetch, select. Here I'm using insert query, DML operation. Mina, you got this much?
Yes, sir.
Now you
So
can auto add it.
what's DML
What's
operation?
DML? DML stand for data manipulation language. Update, insert and delete. It comes under DML operation. Delete, update, insert. These operation comes under DML operation. This is a database terminology, data manipulation language. Okay. Now I'm
Okay.
going to auto wire inject this bean inside my movie controller. You know it, right? How to inject it? Private. This. You know it, right? Yeah, I know it. Movies down. Auto wire. Done. After that, you can call this method. Meena, you have to call this method over here and your job is done. Say, got it? Done. If you allow to me, I can run this application and show you. Hmm? Please
Yes,
allow
sir.
me. If you allow me, I'm going to fill the data. Here, I'm going to add movie hero and year this director. You can write anything, right? Robert King, whatever name you want to give. For poster, people, for poster, the way I'm doing, you have to do the same way, right? You just go and type movie. I'm just talking about the poster, right? You can take any poster, the way I'm saying, right? Image, and what you need to do, you can take any image from here, right? Whatever image you want to take, how you have to take, I'm telling you. Simple, you can just open your image, right? Because you have to take this one, okay? And you can just copy, copy the what? Copy image address. Can you see this? Yeah. After copying it, you have to paste it in the form. Meena, can you see this? And it should be
Yes, sir.
start with HTTPS. Can you see this, please? Simple URL. And here, this is very nice story. You can put a comment. Nice story. Okay. And when you
Sir,
click on it,
sometimes when
when
we
you click on
use
it,
sometimes when we use
some,
CSRF, sometimes when we use the image from on like websites, we get CSRF error message. So at that time, how do
no, no,
we
no, no, no. Uh, CSR message. Cross.
cross-site
You're
request
talking about?
forgery? Yeah.
Yeah, yeah. Whenever it comes, let me know. I'll help you.
Okay.
Right? Here it won't come. So you click on it and then your data will be saved in database. After doing it, please see on the console. I'm not getting any error means everything is cool, right? You want to see in database? Yeah, in database. Meena, you see here, I'm able to save it, right? But in here, I'm just saving the current date, right? Hmm. But my program is working or not?
Yes, sir.
Hello? So I have done with the upload part. Let me upload one more movie, right? After that is okay. 10 A, and you can use Robert A. Tech. Poster again, you can take in the same fashion, right? So again, I'm telling you, if you want to take some poster, you can open your this, just open fully and right click and copy image address. Done. Why I'm doing, because in that way you can see your poster over here. Can you see this? Starting with HTTPS. That's okay. This is okay. I'm able to say how much data. Two records are there, right? You want to show it? If you allow to me, I can show it today or in next session. It is up to you. Because what I have covered today, upload part. So how upload is working? I'm coming to this page and I'm filling my all the data. And when you click on the submit button, it is calling this action with post. Then it comes to the controller right here, and it is taking all the data into it and then calling my DAO layer Mina, right? Yes, calling DAO layer, and this is my query. You see, I'm able to do in one shot. How? I have a lot of practice, right? This is A for apple for me. I'm doing very complex thing, okay? So this thing comes by the practice. Clear? Hey, you got this much? If you allow to me, what I can do, here I can put one more button, right? Like show all movies, right? And which will show all the movies over here, whatever in database. It is up to you. If you want, I can do it right now or I can do in next session.
Next
So
session.
this is up to you, right?
Let's do next session.
Next session? Okay.
Yes, sir.
So guys, upload movie is done in next session. Here, let me put only button. Here you can have button movies, right? The agenda is when you click on this button, you have to show all the movies nicely, right? Let me.
But we're retrieving data from our database, whatever we inserted.
Yeah. We'll show it very nicely, description, photo, everything. Fine. So I think people, if you think this is enough for today, so I'm just stopping my session till here.
Nine, so
In next session, I
did you
will
handle the date
perform next
issue?
operation. Date issue we can handle in next session, not a problem.
Okay.
Got it?